Tell us about fashion computing and sort of the reasons for it at HP.
It's long overdue in the industry. Our industry has been a very male-oriented industry. Even our employee bases are largely male, our designers are male. And in the United States, over 66% of internet users are female. In fact, over half of electronic purchases in the US are influenced or directed by the women. So it is very important to serve this important segment in the style in which they would like.
Guys like style too.
Guys like style, but they're a little shy about it, and women are proud about it. So we created history by first appointing a champion on our staff, Tracy Tactor, to address this segment, and she worked with the fashion designer who was the first fashion designer, actually the first female ever to help design an electronics product, and that was Vivienne Tam. The first product was a very practical product that could be useful for every woman. This product was introduced at Fashion Week with Vivienne Tam's spring collection. So it was not just a notebook, but it was a notebook and an entire clothing and accessories line that she designed. And this product was debuted not at a tech show or a business conference, but on the runway of a fashion show.